guys, it's Maria. Welcome back to the channel. How's it going? We're continuing the Sound of Madness Deluxe Edition by Shinedown with Her Name is Alice. I'm serious. I think this is literally about Alice in Wonderland. Just a different take. I don't know. I'm not 100% sure. I didn't listen to the entire thing, but just because of the name alone, that's just a giveaway. Maybe it's about something different. I don't know. You guys go to my Patreon, and I'll talk about the lyrics when I go to do the review. EV Soldier 96's game is where you go for gaming content and all that good stuff. With all that said, let's get into this. Alright, let's go to Shinedown. There is a little girl in the intro. I'm going to let that play out, and then I'll jump in when he starts singing. Okay? Here we go.
If I had a world of my own, everything would be nonsense. Nothing would be what it is, because everything would be what it isn't.
Invite you to a world where there is no such thing as time, and every creature leads themselves to change your state of mind. And we're gonna chase the rabbit, drink the wine, and took the pill. Has locked herself in limbo just to see how it truly feels. Stand outside your virtue. No one can ever hurt you, or so they say. Her name is Alice. She calls into the window through shades and shadows. Alice. And even though she's dreaming, she knows the curiosity can kill the soul, release the pain. And every ounce of innocence is left inside the brain. And though the looking glass we see, she's faithfully returned. But now off with her head, I feel that everyone's concerned. You see, there's no real ending. It's only the beginning. Come out and play. Her name is Alice. She calls into the window through shades and shadows. Alice. And even though she's dreaming, she's unlocked the meaning for you. Kingdom could rid us. Her freedom and innocence has brought this whole thing down. Her name is Alice. She goes into the window through shades and shadows. Alice. And even though she's dreaming, she's unlocked the meaning. Red nights, white nights, marching in the fight. Me, shrink me, feel to sink me. Red nights, white nights, marching into the fight. Drink me, shrink me, unlock the meaning for you.
And contrary-wise, what it is, it wouldn't be. And what it wouldn't be, it would. You see?
I'm glad I caught myself on that outro, because I would try to sing her parts and then screw it up. Yeah, definitely a Alice in Wonderland reference. I wouldn't be surprised if this was. I don't remember what year this record came out, but regardless, I wouldn't be surprised if like Tim Burton used this freaking version of used this song in the soundtrack. I wouldn't be surprised. But that's just me. What do you guys think of My Name is Alice? Is this your first time hearing about it? Or have you heard it before? Did you like it? Let me know. And I gotta move on to the last song. No pun intended. Wink wink. for this album, and then tomorrow probably I will do the album review. So peace.